Welcome to the video how to stop hiccups. Hiccups can be stopped by holding the breath, taking some water in the mouth and bringing the knees to the chest, Pawan Muktasan. So how does a hiccup comes? So there is a space in between the diaphragm and the lung. That little space can suck air when we talk during eating or eating fast, and then the hiccup starts to come. So hold your breath, take some water in your mouth and bring your knees to your chest. These three options stop the hiccup, and it can also be caused by dry foods. For example, I can get it when a zapote is not high water content. When it's dry, then it comes. So when I eat high water content, it doesn't come. It has also a little bit to do with the diet. For example, when people eating eggs, many people get hiccups after eggs because eggs are acid forming, they are pus forming, they are very hard for the body to digest. Careful what you stop in your mouth. You should put in your mouth only high water content food. That is the solution for all hiccup.